Hello, my name is Riya Sharma and I am a final year student pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from NIT Agartala. My area of interest lies primarily in the field of web development and my past experience includes an SG internship at Intuit. Now let's get right into the presentation. So for this challenge, I developed a web application called Wörlersong which makes remote learning easier. Wörlersong means learning in German. The problem statement was to develop a functional prototype of a platform that provides academic tools to help students study in the pandemic. So I developed an application with the following features. Teachers can create a class and share the class code with the students. They can share lectures and assignments, discuss with the students, grade assignments, and delete reported posts. Students can join a class using the code shared by the teacher, discuss with their teachers and peers, receive email notifications whenever an assignment or lecture is created, view lectures, view and submit assignments, as well as report posts. Now let's move to the demo. So this is a home page of the website. Let's try to log in. So here is a dashboard where I can see all my enrolled classes. Let's try to create a class. Now using this ID, a student can join a class. Now the teacher can create a lecture. They can discuss something with the students and also create an assignment. The student will be able to see the lecture and join using the link, share a post, and submit the assignment. The assignment has been submitted. Also, because a new lecture was created, the student will get an email notification. The teacher, on the other hand, can see all the student submissions here and grade them. These grades will be reflected in the student profile.